My name's Dawson. We're here at Thousand Islands Toyota, and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Corolla Hybrid front-wheel drive. This vehicle comes in a really nice celestial blue. Has a 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine that gets 121 horsepower and 126 foot-pounds of torque. This is the hybrid, so it does have both the petrol and the electric motor in it. This also does come with the 15-inch alloy wheels. Let's take a look on the inside. So you can see in the interior that we do have a nice setup. We have really nice, comfortable cloth seats, which are both heated. We do have the leather wrap shifter. We have nice materials here. Good quality, good build all together. Good combination of the dark gray and the piano black. Really blends well together. Looks really good, feels really comfortable. It's a great combination. And here in the back we have a good amount of space considering this is a smaller vehicle. I'm just over 6 feet, and I can sit back here and still have a little bit of headroom and legroom. So like I said, considering it is smaller, definitely a good amount of space, which is these vehicles are fairly deceptive when it comes to that. We do have a nice armrest and cup holder here in the back. Some pockets as well. You want to put your phone or any papers or whatever you need to in there. So all in all, a basic but comfortable and nice ride in the back. Alright, so here in the back, lifts up nice and fast. We've got a deceptively large amount of room here in the back considering this is a smaller vehicle. I really like this feature about the Toyotas. And we also do have 2 sets of mats there for the different seasons, which is really nice to have as well. Definitely nice. Can do a really good larger shop in there for sure. So, and just before I jump into the driver's seat, this vehicle, since it is a hybrid, gets amazing fuel economy. This is one thing that I really wish I had a hybrid for. So this does get 4.4 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 4.5 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. This thing is absolutely amazing when it comes to your pocketbook and the amount of money you need to spend on gas. So if this is something that that you're thinking about getting for a hybrid, absolutely 100% take the plunge, get yourself a hybrid. You're going to save yourself oodles of money. It's going to be really crazy over the next few years what you see in savings just in gas alone. Here we are in the driver's seat of the hybrid. I'm only going to go over a couple of the key features here just to keep this video shorter. And if you guys want a more in-depth look, I encourage you to come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and either sit in one or take it for a test drive. So first thing we're looking at is the multi-information display and the gauges. I really like this blend. Toyota did a really good job. So the speedometer section of the cluster is actually the multi-information display. The blues are really nice, definitely easy on the eyes when you are doing night driving. And the multi-information display is easily accessed through this directional pad here, with this being the back button. So it's literally just scrolling over and up and down to access your different settings, which is really nice and easy, definitely user-friendly. And then we have our nice infotainment setup here. This is touchscreen, but we also do have access to physical buttons, which I can definitely appreciate. Very easy to use while you're driving, along with the tuning knobs on both sides. But the touchscreen works flawlessly, very, very easy to use. So that is definitely a nice feature as well. And then we do have the climate control, which works very easily. Once again, really nice when you're on the road. Don't even have to really think about it too much. The text is larger too, so it's very easy on the eyes. And then we do have our heated seats for both the driver and the passenger, which is just a really nice feature to have when you are living in Canada, which we are. So. And then we do have the different drive modes. So we've got the EV mode. And for those of you that don't know what EV mode stands for, it is electric vehicle mode. So this is when the vehicle uses entirely the hybrid version of it, the electric battery portion, and you're not consuming any fuel at all. Just be mindful of of your battery though, how charged it is, and how far you can go, which it does display that information. We've got the parking brake. We've also got 2 nice cup holders. And then we've got the access to the USB and the 12-volt power supply. So, I mean, all in all, you're looking for a really good, reliable vehicle. And let's be honest, that's what Toyota is. Toyota is known for their reliability. The residual values on these are amazing, and you get a ridiculous amount of fuel economy. This is a no-brainer. Definitely something to look at, and we do have more in stock. So come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.